Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Digitally Yours. In today's tutorial, I'll be talking about how to use the Google Keep. So there are certain things which I'm going to cover in today's presentation. It's divided into two parts since the video length may be a little bit longer. So part one, I'm going to consider how to open the Keep, adding notes with a checklist, drawing images, changing the colors, add image as a header, add label, pin your notes, archive and delete your notes. And then in my part two, I am going to consider copy notes to Google Docs, add collaborators, set reminders, reorganize notes, enable dark mode, Gmail and notes, save in any language, app for mobile and keep extension. So let's begin our part one, how to open the Keep. There are many ways in which we can open the Keep. First of the simple ways, since I have already logged in using my Gmail account, my personal Gmail account, just type in keep.google.com and you will be taken to your Keep notes. So as you can see, these are certain my notes which I already have created. So basically, you want to save certain notes, certain web links, or certain website ideas, or whatever you have in your mind. You want to keep the image notes, or you just want a list of notes, right? So how we are going to add the notes? There are three different ways. Which begin with a checklist. So here is new list. Just click on it and you start writing whatever you want. So say I have to go to market and buy certain items. So say I need to buy oranges and then I need to buy say sugar and then I need to buy say cold drink, so and so forth. And I can give a name over here, market, and you just close it. Because that's the beauty of all the Google products. They are all auto saved in our drive. Once again, check it out. Even I can bring this as a sub topic to this as oranges, then sugar is a part of this, then say cold drink is a part of this. I can easily drop and drag them. Next is using the drawing. Click on this icon and here is one drawing open. So let me write anything I want. I may use a stylus pen, but right now I'm using the mouse only to write over here. So say anything you have mentioned, then go back and now you start giving the title to your note and add anything you want to this note. It will be auto saved here. Another way is you can start with a new note with image. Just click on this icon. It will directly take you to upload your image and let's say uh, I am selecting some image like this. So I have some article related to the news. I can just upload that image and then start writing the title and the notes as usual. Next is changing the color, which is very important because you have some different type of notes. So as you can see, I have given a yellow color to my Google site tutorial notes and then Google Educator level 1, level 2 and certain website links. So my school result sheet and all that. So everything they have given the different colors. So how to add the color? So let's say there is a note this. Just click on this palette and select the color you like. So it will automatically change the background of that note. Next is adding the image as a header. One way we can directly start our note with this image. The other way around is say I need to add the image to this note which I already have written. So how I can go about this? Just click on this add image. I'll just add image, and now you can select whichever image you would like to add to this, and you are done. Next is very important, adding the labels. As you can see on the left hand side, I have created certain labels like Google, then personal, then tech news. So you can have n number of labels created for yourself, right? So say I need to add certain another thing, say school related, so I give the label name as school, so it is being added. Now how I can bring all these in my particular labels, so you can just check it out. Add label, click on these three small dots and add label. So if you already have, say, is related to personal work, you can just select it, or you can even add a new label over here as well. So once you have added the label, you can check it out. You have this personal over here. So once I have, say, 2-3 labeling with the personal, when I go over there, I can find all those notes in that personal label itself. Another is pinning the notes. What do we mean by the pin? If I am going to use, say, one particular note most of the time frequently, so I can just go and you can check it out. Once I go here, there's the option of pin note. Just click on it and you will find this note is now at the top. So I can pin many other notes as well. So I can pin the second note. Yeah. So I can many other nodes which I need to use more frequently, I can simply pin them. As I mentioned, there are a number of ways. I mean, one of the way you directly write keep.google.com. The another way to reach over here is, since you have already logged in your Gmail account, click on these 9 dots and look for keep. So here it is. You just click on it, you'll be taking to this page itself. Lastly, I'll be talking about archive and delete your notes. So let's say there is a note which I do not need anymore. So I'll just go and click on it and archive for this. The note is being archived. And then if I want to finally delete this note, I'll go to the trash and find out that note and I can delete that. Or I can delete the note by clicking on these three dots over here as well. Thank you for watching this part 1. I'll coming back with part 2 very soon. Thank you.